Let's get started by clicking this Make a Map link that's down at the bottom here. And that's going to load us in our sort of generic base map and view, which is not always where we want to be, but that doesn't matter for now. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate and mark TUSC on the map where we are right now. So if we click in this Find Address or Place box and type in Danforth Collegiate, and we don't even have to finish spelling the whole thing because we can actually see it right here in the list at 800 Greenwood Avenue. That's the one that we want. And here we go. Now we've located the right spot, but we have to mark it so that we can keep track of that. So we're going to come over to our Tools menu here and click on Add, and we're going to add map notes. We can keep the map notes name, that's fine. Just click on the Create button. Choose one of these, push pin or stick pin, to mark TUSC, but we're going to change it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Now, if you remember, when you came into the building, here's Danforth Collegiate, but TUSC is actually, you walked in the door here, you walk past a hallway, down the second hallway a little bit, so we're kind of like right in the middle there. We're going to change the title to TUSC. If you wish, you can flesh that out. But that's not too critical. And then if you'd like, if you don't like that green push pin, you can click Change Symbol, and there'll be a bunch of things that load up. You're welcome to select something else that looks like it'll stand out against the background. Click Done. Then we can come over here and click Close. And now we've got TUSC saved there. Next, we're going to find your school. So click on the red X here to clear out that search. Click back in the Find box. And now we're going to look for your school. I'm going to use Huron Street Public School as an example, but of course you would start typing in the name of your own school. So we can click on that. And we'll go back and select Pushpin and click on your school. Put in the name of your school. If you wish, again, you can change the symbol, something else. Click Done, click Close. And at this point, we are going to save what we've done so far. You never know when things are going to not work, so saving regularly is a good thing. Click on Save, and then click on Save As. And for the title, this is going to be critical because we're all saving our maps in the same place here in ArcGIS Online. So we need to start with your name and your partner's name. And it's a good idea to be consistent with every map that you make, that you use the same names in the same order. That way they're going to be grouped together in the list of projects that you guys are doing. So names, and then a hyphen or a minus sign, and then put in the name of this map, which is Mapping School and TUSC. We need to add some tags, and that's just a search tool that's for ArcGIS. And why don't we just use your names again? So you can do, and it doesn't matter about capitals if you don't want to, but you can. Just put your two names in. You don't have to have the word "and" this time. And that way we can also search for the Chris and Paul tag, or whatever you and your partner's name is. We're going to save in the default folder for your class, and then click Save Map.